Every girl needs to be financially independent. So you're not just someone's wife or someone's daughter or someone's sister. Your identity will be defined by your ability to be independent, and that comes with finance in the world that we live today. Don't tell yourself that you don't know what to do.
But it's always nicer when you look at someone you really love and you're like, yeah, well, she did it and I could do it too. That's what I mean.
And you
I
could do
appreciate
your own
that.
version of it. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I already exist.
Okay, good.
Who are you?
Guys, please let me just tell you this. No matter what you do, someone will always be unhappy. Always. Especially in this age of social media, it's so easy for us to be confused between the voices that actually matter and the opinions of faceless people writing behind the anonymity of what the web offers. They don't matter. So rule number 9, you can never please everyone all the time.
What makes you different? If you identify that and you realize that, all right, this is what's different about me. If you think about it, that's exactly what makes you unique. Be the best version of yourself. Because the more different you are, the more special you are.
Rules of becoming the best version of yourself. There's only one you. I'm talking about the core of you, who you are inside. Rule number 2, being fearless. Let your dreams fly. Rule number 3 is you have never arrived enough to explore new opportunities. Rule number 4, be greedy. Be greedy for your ambitions. Be hungry for it. Rule number 5, do not compromise. Do not settle on your dreams. Rule number 6, fail, fail, fail again and then rise like a phoenix. Rule number 7, be bold and take these risks. Rule number 8, surround yourself with the right people who do not stab you in the back. Rule number 9, you can never please everyone all the time. Rule number 10, don't take yourself too seriously. We're not making rockets. Calm down, have fun. Rule number 11, give back. And finally, the most important one, rule number 12, don't ever forget your roots and where you came from.